Welcome to my channel, Dr. Munshi Nasir, Skeleton. How are you, my dear learners? Nowadays, from my experience, I have seen that the research paper that we are submitting in a different journals, especially for the Scopus Index journal, they require advanced methodology. Now, the interesting thing is, many of my learners asking, what would we do? Should we focus quantitative analysis or should we focus qualitative analysis or mixed method? In this video, I'm going to talk about what type of methodology we should use in order to get a quick publication in a Scopus Index journal. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. My dear learners, from my recent experience, I have seen that nowadays journals are so much choosy and picky because there are so many submissions are coming from different parts of the world. Now, one of the reasons is that nowadays people can write a manuscript very quickly with the help of AI. Now, for that reason, journals are scrutinizing the AI-based manuscript very carefully. If they find that there is a higher AI presence in your research methodology or your research manuscript, it might be DEX reject quickly. In order to avoid that, you have to use the data analysis more in your manuscript. Mostly, if you use big data, this is very important. Why? Because normally a free AI software cannot use big data. Few months ago, I have seen that I was downloaded 1 million data. This 1 million data is difficult to handle by free AI. This free AI cannot use this 1 million data. However, you can use Python or R, even JASP or Blue Sky. You can use this software for free in order to handle this big 1 million data. It might be more than 1 million data. AI cannot use their advanced technology yet for free purposes, handling the lots of free data. And you have to pay for a lot of money in order to get this big data analysis using AI platforms. So, in order to avoid that, you have to use this big data and use data analysis, especially for the quantitative analysis. At the same time, use qualitative analysis. Now, researchers, especially for the research reviewers, they are looking at that the manuscript is writing from a different angle, not only focusing completely on quantitative analysis, but also using some qualitative tools and technique. It is always good to use this mixed method analysis nowadays. I have seen different good journals. They are trying to see whether the researcher or the author give the most effort in the manuscript in order to write the manuscript for their journal. And in this case, big data play a very vital role. So big data analysis and using of quantitative and qualitative, both the methodology in the same manuscript will enhance the chances of getting your publication in a Scopus Index journal in 2025. I hope these tips will help you to draw and draft your manuscript for next publication. Thank you so much, my dear learners. I will see you in the next tutorial.